Oh, hi, ma'am. I'm Ed here with the old house here. Coming in to do your furnace inspection and cleaning. You mind if I come in? And we get that done and get it serviced for wintertime?
Yes, I would love that.
Alrighty. Appreciate that, ma'am. Oh, let me come on in. Well, wow, what the heck happened here, ma'am?
Oh, we kind of had some flooding.
Well, I don't know if we can service this, but let me grab my tools. Brought my handy dandy tool belt. I see you got a garden hose here. Let me find that end to it. Oh, there it is. Let me go ahead and see what I can do on servicing this. When's the last time you had this serviced?
It's been a few years.
A few years, huh? You should at least have this cleaned and serviced at least once a year.
Oh, really?
Yes, but let me grab a shovel first, ma'am, and let me put a pump right there because it's going to make a mess. Let me, give me a moment. I walk on over here and get me a shovel. Square nose shovel. I forgot to put that in my tool belt. Go ahead and put that in there. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do here is freaking hammer here. I'm going to shovel this off right here. I want to try to clear this off here, you know, the dirt and debris. Oh, man. I don't know what... I can do what I can do, man, but no guarantees on a warranty. I'm going to have to get my pump here. Put down over there to take and pump the water out. Oh. Gosh, dang it, ma'am. You got quite the mess here. What in the heck happened here?
Just got a little water inside the house.
Did you forget to turn off the washing machine? Is this a washing machine flood or?
There's a hole in the wall.
A hole in the wall, huh? Kind of want to try to keep that as much as possible of not getting anything in that pump. It's not mine. You know, you want to make sure you don't suck nothing up that can break it. Oh, would you mind taking this right out the door there, fine gentleman? But you got to leave me some slack here.
Okay.
So I got to hook it up to the pump. You go ahead and take it all up there and I'll hold what I need and then string it on out the front door there. Whew. Make sure you run it all the way out in the street there, son. Oh, and make sure you don't have no kinks in it. Nothing works with the kink in it. That's what the girls say. That's probably why I don't do no laundry. Because every time I do it, I get the water hose hook kinked up. Trying to hook the washing machine up. Gosh dang it. See, I can't even get the hose on here. Not very good at this job. Don't mind this, ma'am. Just a little fine difficulties here. See, just some time, fine tuning there. Let's see here. You just go ahead and take that slack up there, sir.
Okay.
We'll get this going here in a minute, ma'am. We got to get this pump going, so. Now, make sure you get those kinks out. Don't be putting it right by my doorstep on my vehicle. I need to get back in when I leave. String that out there and get those kinks out. Alrighty, ma'am. Let's see what we can do here for you. Jeez. Oh, I've already put my nozzle on. Oh, let's see here. Don't worry, this is professionally trained. Oh, jeez. You sure that's grounded, ma'am? Who did the electrical for you? We might not be able to get much water around of here with this. We'll give it a shot. So, this is our yearly servicing job here. Jeez. I only warranty this for 30 days. A 30-day warranty on this. Go ahead and hose this all down, clean it all up, you know. Yeah, let's clean this up here. And then she'll be back working like new, ma'am. Believe it or not. Oh man, what these? Oh dang it, we don't want to ruin your directions on how do you operate your furnace here, ma'am. Sorry about that. Let's go ahead and pull your filter out. You don't need that in there. You needed a new one in here anyways, ma'am. By golly, look at that. Oh, would you look at that? Dang it. I blew a freaking line. Hurry up and move. Dang it. Let me go fix that. Pause it. Alrighty, ma'am. Yeah, we need to make sure we clean this off real good. Gosh, dang it. Looks like you got a lot of debris up in there. Let's see here. Yeah, this is our yeah, we'll want to make sure we clean this off real good. Service this really well. Alright, we took that filter out of there. That's just a good thing. Hang on, ma'am. I need to get my tool out. I get my handy dandy flashlight out. Oh, I see what the problem is right there. It's got a little bit of lumber right there. A little bit of lumber. Some rocks. Let's see if we can clean that off there, ma'am. Alrighty, ma'am. We'll go ahead and open up these doors here. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the inside out now. Move that stuff out of our way. Let's see what we got in here. Wow, ma'am, you got quite a bit of mud in here. You know, you're not supposed to be putting mud in here. Well, I guess you couldn't control that, you know, when you had that flood. Yeah, I understand here. Like I said, our warranty's only good for 30 days. That's all our warranty's good for. We'll go ahead and see what we can do. I don't know what you got here for, what you got these sticks here for, but man, I don't know what you're doing here, but got all kind of lumber in here. All kinds of mud. See if we can get this out of here. Furnace don't look very old, maybe a couple years old, huh? Yeah, you got quite a bit of mud in here, ma'am. Yeah, this is we'll go ahead and clean this all out here and get this all out of here. See if we can get a lot of this mud out of here. I'm good. I'm glad that you called me, man, to get this serviced here. It does need a service job for sure. Looks like it's been a while since you've done one, even with it being flooded. Oh yeah, I'm very highly recommended. I'm very qualified for doing this kind of a job. You found the right guy to do this. Yes, ma'am. You found the right guy to take care of the job here. We'll get the problem fixed. Yeah, we'll get this problem taken care of and should be just like new. Should be, key word. Yeah, it will cook you out of this house this winter. You won't have a problem at all, ma'am. What's that? Yes. Yeah, we'll be up and going in no time. right, ma'am. Let's check and see what we have here on this other compartment. See if we got to do any cleaning on it. Oh, my golly, ma'am. It looks like it got some dirt up into here. Yeah, ma'am. It certainly did. Let's see if we can clean this door off here. I'm thankful that you called me because I am very qualified in this position. Yeah, 5-star recommended. Let me see what we can do here. Yeah, let's get this all cleaned out here also. Now, I recommend you not try this at home. I recommend you to call a qualified technician to service your furnace. Well, it's not a very smart idea to do water, but this is a certain kind of water. It's a silicone-based water. Yes, it makes everything waterproof. That's the thing. That's the trick to it, ma'am. Yes, it is. It is a little bit difficult trying to get the waterproof-based silicone. It's not cheap. This is pretty pricey stuff. Yeah, it's not cheap stuff. Only qualified technicians have the special stuff for you. Yes. No, it's not available at the stores. It is not available at the hardware stores for sure. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. By the time your 30 days is up, it will be already expired. Because winter will be here for you. Yeah. Just trying to drain this water off of here. Then we'll take and spray the bottom here again and get the rest of that little bit of dirt out, and I think we'll be golden. Yep. Yeah, we'll be golden. Yeah. We about got this water, it looks like, out of the fan motor here and the squirrel cage here. It looks like about that's pretty clean there. Let's go ahead and spray it down here at the bottom and see. Try to get as much of that mud out of there as possible, you know. Oh yeah, look at that. That's getting pretty clean there. Well, that's about all I can do for you, ma'am. It looks like I got it well cleaned out here for you. You should be golden. You should be. That's the key word. Should be. But that's quite the job. If you notice what I mean. It's a dirty job. Someone's got to do it though. But now, I recommend you getting this water out of here and letting that air dry for a few days. When you've got, what, 3 months before winter hits you, you probably got enough time to let that just air dry before you plug it in. And it should be all dried up. But let me grab my, gosh dang it, let me make one final inspection with the flashlight because you can't see certain things in the dark with your naked eye. Let me make sure I got everything. Oh. I reckon, ma'am, it looks like I might have gotten every nit, crack, and cranny there is. I believe so. By golly, I think so. Let me wash these doors off a little bit here. Man, things just don't cooperate with one hand, you know that? Yeah. You don't want it on full blast, you just want it barely on, and it wants to come on full blast, if you know what I mean. Excuse me. Whoop. My bad. Alrighty, we got those all cleaned off there. Huh, wonder what my Craftsman 2-gallon water wet and dry instructions are doing in the furnace. Not like I really needed them anyways. I don't know how to read, I just look at the pictures. About all I do. They put both pictures in there for a reason, for guys like us that real men don't need instructions. Which is true. I never read them. Well, I think that's everything, ma'am. My job, whoa, sorry. I don't need any worse than what it is down here. My job's done here for you, but like they say, the women don't find you handsome, by golly, they ought to find you handy. Got my tool belt on? Oh, shit. That's kind of like Barney 5. I only got one bullet, and that's all they gave me as the fire nozzle, because that's all they trust me with. It's the fire nozzle. So I guess I'm just, this is the job they gave me, sent me to do, because that's about all I know how to do. So anyways, you guys have a good day, and thanks for tuning in to this furnace cleaning job today. And following along here on my ventures here to this lady's house to service her furnace here. Should be up and running here in no time at all now. Just let that air dry and drip dry and we'll be good to go. So like they say, if the women don't find you handsome, by golly, they ought to find you handy. Even though we are here cleaning a furnace out with a bunch of mud. I don't know what she was doing, but she got it done. Now you know the rest of the story. Good day.